Okay, today really quickly I'm going to go over all the parts of your furnace, and we're going to start here with the inducer motor. This produces a draft and sends that draft through your flue pipe, aka your exhaust. And then you have your pressure switch that verifies that we have enough pressure, good pressure, coming from this inducer motor. Then you have down here, you may not be able to see it, but you have your igniter. And that igniter, that's what it looks like, will glow. And once it gets hot enough, it will open this up, your gas valve, which will produce flames from your burners here. And then once those flames are lit, you have right here, you may not be able to see this either, but you have what we call a flame sensor. Maybe hard to see, there you go. You have a flame sensor that reports we do have flame and not just gas rolling out. You also have your flame rollout switches, which are manual resets. And basically, that little button in the middle is a reset button. And basically, that is in case the flames push back this way to prevent any kind of safety, to ensure safety, rather. You also have your high limit switch, which is located right up against the furnace in case this furnace gets too hot. All right, down here, you have your furnace control board, which is basically the brains of everything, giving it the proper signal. Down here, you have a capacitor, which is basically the battery for this motor right here, which is called your blower motor, and your fan, as you can see. And then you have the filter. So these are all the main parts of your furnace. And obviously you have your gas piping with your shutoff right there. This wire is also your furnace shutoff switch right there. Flue pipe. And those are all the main components of your furnace.